Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. In this video I will show you how to make croquet hook cover with beads. It's like beautiful and cheap for buy. One gum and open the gum and apply on the beads. Bind one beads and other beads. One needle hook, rocket hook, and apply the gum on the hook. And beads under the croquet hole, croquet hook in the beads hole, and bind each another. It will be beautiful croquet hook. And one more beads, white, and another around the white, the brown. It is a cheap procedure for the croquet cover. Single needles for bind each other. Press each other beads. You see, it's like beautiful croquet hook. And the last, once more. Apply on the croquet hook and once bead on around the upon. Thanks for watching my channel. Subscribe and like my channel. You will subscribe my channel the next video. Thank you.